So let's look at Toyota. I was there last week, I mentioned that. And Toyota's an amazing company. And they have an amazing CEO. You can see him there. I'm standing next to him for last Monday. And they're all about connecting people, cars, and dealerships and manufacturing in a private social network. Dan Darcy's on stage. And we're going to take a look at the Toyota Friend Network. The Toyota Friend Network, which is a very simple idea, based on the social enterprise I just walked you through, is they're on the social networks, listening, engaging in marketing, whether it's on Mixi, which is the social network in Japan, or Twitter, or Facebook, or YouTube. They have built their own custom portals for their cars to be able to talk to and share information so you can work in a private environment as well. Chatter, which they're looking at how do they increase their collaboration throughout their enterprise. They have 320,000 employees. Service, they have large call centers and contact centers. They're dealers and distributors. They're Toyota vehicles themselves. Mobile devices, providing this information, as well as connecting back, geolocation, and connecting back to their SAP and Oracle systems. All connecting into a customer database to help them give a better experience to their customers. So Dan, you've been working on this for quite a while.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Hello, everyone.
Please welcome Dan Darcy. Fresh from Tokyo. We're all a little bit jet lagged, but happy to be here.
Absolutely happy to be here.
So let's talk about what is Toyota Friend, Dan?
Okay, so Toyota Friend is, as Mark was saying, sort of a private social network. And what you're taking a look at here is, as you log in as a customer of Toyota, this is your kind of customer community where you can see that your home energy management system, which is the HEMS, is also talking to you, telling you that you have 87% storage battery. You can see a dashboard of kind of the weather in San Francisco, as well as the most active chatter in the community that's happening within the Toyota Friend private social network. And if you scroll down the screen, you can actually see here kind of, again, a dashboard of the cars.
So the car is talking to me and saying my battery is charged and my fuel level is this and this is where I'm located.
Exactly. Here's my odometer. Here's where I'm geolocated. Here's the temperature inside the car.
But it's also all my family's cars,
and
not just my car.
And it's all your family's cars. You know, your wife's, your daughters. You can see exactly where those are geolocated. And if you scroll up, you can actually see the chatter. So this is where chatter in the community starts becoming prevalent in the Toyota Friend Network. Here we are on Marc's profile within the Toyota Friend Network. You can see he's got followers, he's following people, and in his feed you can see the dealership is talking to him. You can see his daughter's car is telling him that my driver front side tire pressure is low, and please fill your tire here at this Shell gas station, which is right near where that car is geolocated. And if you scroll down here just a little bit more, you can see that his wife's car is saying, look, we've reached a 50,000-mile maintenance window. You should make an appointment at your dealership. And then the community, such as Mike Smithson from the San Francisco Toyota, is saying, hey, we've got a coupon. Why don't you come in and check it out next week?
Now, Dan, so in the same way that I'm following people on Twitter or I have friends on Facebook, now my car is my friend. Or I'm following my car or I'm following, you know.
Yeah, so your car is your friend and you can interact with that. And it's not just within the Toyota Friend private social network. If you live out on Facebook and in Twitter, we can integrate with that as well. So if we expose that out onto Marc's Facebook page, we can see here the Toyota Friend app is also talking to Marc, saying, you know, the different posts and updates. And if you go to Twitter as well, you can see that, you know, hey, here your car is talking to you, telling you need a maintenance, etc.
So here's right on Twitter, my car is basically saying to me, hey, I need to get this tire changed, or maybe it's the dealer saying to me, hey, have you checked out this new model, or check out this new product, or here's the upgrade for your technology,
etc. But as Marc said, you know, the world is mobile, and not everyone is always on the web apps. They're also on their iPhone, or on their BlackBerry, or on their Android device. So we also created a Toyota Friend Network mobile app where you can actually see that same exact information that you see in the customer center community right here on your mobile app. So you can see his family of cars. You can see here we are looking at specifically into Marc's hybrid car. We can see the battery charge, the temperature inside the car, the fuel remaining. We can take a look at the controls, maybe start the engine, honk the horn, check their surveillance, whatever you want to do. But also what's also integrated in this is chatter. And so collaboration is here right on your mobile device.
So we're collaborating right on the mobile device, again, with that whole new community around our product.
Exactly. And again, talking about this product social network, it's also embedded within the car. So if we switch to demo 3, what we're taking a look at is here we are inside the Toyota Prius hybrid. And what Toyota just announced was the N2 network, where you can serve up apps via the dashboard. And you can see here, why can't Toyota Friend be a part of that network as well? And if we were to take a look into that, we can see all, again, the dashboard, the family of cars that were associated. And we could take a look at the chatter right here inside the Toyota Prius.
So the car is talking to me in the car, on the mobile device, on the public social networks, and a private social network.
Yeah.
I mean, this is very exciting. Dan, you're working with these customers all over the world. What if I want to now make sense of all of this data and help my employees understand what our customers are doing? What's the next step for me there?
Exactly. So here we are looking at the Toyota Friend network and what it looks like for the corporate social network, so the employees at Toyota. So we're taking a look at Toyota-san's profile, and we can see here he has followers and following, and you can see his employees are talking to him, letting him know what's happening around the world about the Toyota cars, and the cars can be chatting basically back to the home network, so we can get analytics around the cars and what's happening, et cetera.
So this is Salesforce Chatter now running Toyota internally, helping all the employees listen to what's going on with the products and customers and communities around the world.
Exactly, and we're going to go into Chatter a little bit more later, especially groups. But this is where the corporate social network can really, the employees at Toyota can really be kind of in tune with their products.
And what drops out of this when we talk about a customer social database is now dropping out with these related lists? What are you going to see about these consumers, Dan, that you didn't see before?
So exactly like what Marc was saying earlier about the social profile. So now that we have more information in that, Toyota is now a social enterprise. They know a lot more about Marc, what he's doing out on Facebook, what he's doing out on Twitter, and any other social conversations he's having about Toyota.
Terrific. Hey, thanks so much for being here, Dan. Really appreciate it.
Of course.
Please thank Dan Darcy. The first step to become a social enterprise is doing that listening, doing that engaging, and doing that marketing. And to help us understand that is a real leader in this space. Radian6 is a company that Salesforce.com recently acquired. And the reason that we acquired is they're the world leader in this area, and we have integrated that into our technology, and we're going to show that to you here for the first time. Please welcome Marcel Lebrun, who's the CEO of Radian6. Welcome, Marcel. Great to have you here.
Thank you.